Okay, in one of the previous video, I show you how to do me in 3-point perspective, designed by Mr. Wilson. And in that video, I show you how to do the E, but not quite correct manner. So I just wanted to make sure that you do it correctly. So this is how it's supposed to. That was a little small, so I decided to just skip some process. So vanishing point 3. So let's do it correctly this time. So repeat 2, 1, 2, 3, and this will be the column for this one. And again, we need to connect the top to the vanishing point. Oops, what just happened? Oh, it's tilted. Let's get to the right angle. Okay. And then always connect it to all 3. And then, so it's going to be expand. So you will see what I mean when we do it. Let's extend so you can see better. All right, so first thing is you need to create it to 3 columns for this, right? So I'm gonna create a center. So you need 3 columns for the E, right? 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row. So what you need to do is, this is the center we established. You connect the, we've been covering this many times, so hopefully you remember by now. And connect the middle to this middle. And when you connect that, this will be the 3rd column. But remember, in 2 points, we just created vertical lines, but in 3 points, always connected to the vanishing point 3. And then that's how you create it, right? So 1, 2, 3 column. Next job is we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row. We already established the middle point here, proportionally getting reduced. So all we have to do is find the middle point. So naturally, you already know where it's going to be here, right? So we now know first row, second row, and this one we haven't divided into the half yet. So you connect, right? And then there's a middle part. So if you connect this one to the vanishing point 2, now we have 3, 4. And the last one, what do we do? All you have to do is, do you see the center? You connect it to that. And then this is the part. And all you have to do is connect this corner to here, right? Just like we did it in this angle. If I just tilted that, it's the same thing, right? Okay, so either way you go this direction, that direction, it will be apply exactly the same. So if I continue this, right, and that will be the last column for the, the row for the E5, right? Then that's what I mean by the first box we created is not the final box. And this is, let's say, here's the thickness for the E, right? And that's the end part, right? And then you can see the E. So what's left? This one needs to be connected to the vanishing point, right? And then this one needs to be connected to the vanishing point. So it's really complicated because there are so many lines going together. So you need to make sure that sometimes that helps that if you use the very light pencil line, right? I'm gonna make everything dark so you can see better. Okay, the middle part, and here. So this is how you do it proportionally. So I hope you don't follow the just shortcut that I went through for that lesson, and hope you understand what is the correct way to do 3-point perspective E. Okay, and then depending on the light, in other design we use the light source from here, right? Then we'll go to this angle. If you are using the light source from here, then your light shadow will go this way, right? Always follow that. So it's a easier way to do it. Depending on the lights, it's going to change. So if light is coming from, then what happened? Use this as a vanishing point, and then you can create a shadow in this angle. Okay. All right.